Right guys, and here we go. BAFCO helicopter, as I say, all refurbished. Lights now flashing. So two problems with this one. First of all, the timer had blown and knackered. A few resistors burnt out and set fire. So timer was a write-off. Replaced the timer, all sorted. And also the Coimex switch was knackered as well. Just found that out. Just the second video I've just done. So first one was a fail, epic fail. Anyway guys, so BAFCO helicopter. 20p a ride. Sound effects. Trigger. Some bombs. Right. Fires. Down. Up. Right. Oh, left sailor. And also here we go. Callum leather gator. False leather, not real leather. Just so you know. So guys, don't forget, like, share and subscribe.